good evening. I'm Loverly from Global Health Travel Patient Care Team, and tonight we're having a video testimonial of one of our client, who have gone cosmetic surgery here in Bangkok. For privacy reasons, she will remain anonymous, and we will call her in the name of Olivia. Hello, Olivia. Good evening.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. I feel good.
First of all, I want to ask you, how did you find about Global Health Travel?
I found out about it because I actually Googled cosmetic surgery in Thailand, and I actually found a different organisation, and I went on YouTube and looked at some videos through them, and then I saw videos from Global Health Travel come up, and then I kind of found them that way. So it was sort of by accident, actually. And then I put in an inquiry with a couple of organisations, and Global Health Travel was the first to respond to me, really prompt and organised and quickly and professionally. So that's why I decided to go with you guys.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Apart from that, is there any other reasons why you finally decided to come over here in Bangkok to do the surgery?
Primarily it was money. It's so much cheaper to come here. Like I was quoted for breast augmentation, I was quoted like between $10,000 and $12,000 in Australia, and here it was significantly cheaper. I also wanted to have a trip, I guess. I think if you have surgery at home, there's a chance that you get discharged from surgery and then you go home and you can't relax because you've still got like everything going on around you, like I don't know, work and people to see and things to do, and I knew that I wouldn't be able to rest properly, but coming out here and being away from like my life for a week, I was forced to rest and just have a holiday as well. So I think for like recovery, it's better to be somewhere else.
Well, that's good. You did breast augmentation, right? Mm-hmm. Who is may I ask, who is your doctor?
Doctor Montien.
How do you find Doctor Montien?
He was amazing. He was quite funny. I cracked a few jokes, which made me feel really at ease. He spoke really good English. He was so careful and took his time for ages in my consultation. I felt like he was just staring at my breasts. I didn't know what he was doing, but obviously he was measuring things and thinking about things, and then he would kind of poke and press and pull the skin, and he spent ages doing it and got his ruler out, and I just felt like he was really thorough. And yeah, he was really lovely, so he was great.
I'll agree with that. He's a great doctor.
Yeah, it's amazing.
You stayed in the hospital for one night,
Mm-hmm.
and what can you say about the hospital and the service that they
The hospital room is nicer than my apartment at home. It was amazing.
That's good.
Big bathroom and like a kitchen and a couch and the bed and the TV and the movies. So the facilities were amazing. The whole process was outstanding. Like I didn't have to wait for anything. It was just straight to X-ray, straight to blood, straight to everything. All the staff were really caring, really gentle, like getting blood taken and things. They were just really precise and really gentle with the way they did things, and all the nurses were so lovely because I was so nervous, especially kind of like leading up to the surgery when I was by myself waiting. I was so nervous, and they were all just amazing. The care was better than anything I've ever had in Australia. Yeah.
Well, that's very nice to hear.
Yeah.
You've stayed in the Global Health Travel Recovery Apartments,
Mm-hmm.
and what can you say about that?
They're great. It's so nice to come back to somewhere close to the hospital, comfortable, like clean. Have you guys around all the time is what made it so amazing. Really good to be close to the other girls as well, to talk to them before surgery and then also like kind of compare notes afterwards. Really good that we have fridge and a kitchen and things, because the first few nights I just ate here, just kind of cooked, made salad and stuff, so really cooking, but yeah, it was really good, really good.
We are very happy that you're happy too. How about the service that the patient care team provided?
Oh my gosh, amazing. Like, I felt so cared for and supported, and kind of felt like someone was holding my hand the whole time, and it sort of made me feel like I had a family away from my family and away from home. I never felt alone, and just always all my questions were answered. Everyone, like, you guys were all so positive and smiling all the time, and that made it just so good.
Yeah. No, it's okay.
Yeah, I can't thank you enough, and I can't recommend you highly enough. It's amazing.
Thank you for that. For your overall experience here in Bangkok, how would you rate it, or how would you describe your overall experience?
Oh my gosh, like 10 out of 10. The only criticism I would say is that I wish I was here for like 10 days rather than 7.
Yeah.
I wish I was here longer so I could do more things, and I don't know, I guess I felt like pretty rushed wanting to see a few things before I left, and I wish I had let myself have longer. So that's probably, like, you can definitely do it in the amount of time that I did it, but advice to people would be, if you can take a bit of extra time, take it, because you won't regret it. But just, I love Bangkok, and I love all the people here, and yeah, it's like 10 out of 10.
Thank you. For all the people who are planning to come over here in Bangkok for surgery like you do, what are the tips that you can give them?
Well, what I just said, like, if you can afford to have more time, take more than less. Don't like feel like you want to rush to get back to Australia or wherever your home is. Take extra time if you can afford it. I don't know, I have lots of questions prepared, and don't be afraid to ask questions, because I've asked so many questions and I've just felt really at ease having them all answered, and I haven't felt stupid for asking them because everyone's kind of listened to me. Advice, I don't know, come and do it. Don't do it in Australia. My advice is just do it. Like, it's been such a good experience.
That's very, very nice to hear. And last question, would you recommend Global Health Travel to your friends and family?
Yeah, 100%. Definitely. I would send anyone here, like my mom, my brother, my friends, like I would send them here over Australia. Definitely.
We'll be looking forward for it.
Yeah. Well, family.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much, Emily, Olivia, for granting us this, this interview conversation.
Thank you.
Thank you, and may you have a safe flight home tomorrow. Okay?